So, Bomb, how would you react if Redbird told you that you are going to audition as a member of the Fast Gang in the Rockhead series? Honestly, I would be very surprised. Well, you should be. Because Redbird told me to tell you this. In other words, you are going to play as a character in the Rockhead series. Wow, now that is amazing. Redbird will tell you all about the character that you are going to play as. Hey, Redbird. Okay, Bomb, now that you know about it, please follow me. Okay, Redbird. Alright, Bomb, are you ready to know the character that you are going to play as? Yes, I am. Okay, so the character's name is Henry, and he is one of the most passive bird members. He is the only bird member that doesn't like to attack neighborhoods. Because of that, the other bird members pick on him. In the next episode, he will encounter Rockhead and Mustache. And he would soon join their side after he finds out that those two pigs are going after the eggs. Why, you ask? Because Henry also knows about the eggs. Henry would tell the pigs the reason why Zap stole the eggs. Wow! Well, thanks for telling me about the character that I'm going to play as. You're welcome. Okay, Bill Franklin, I've returned. Thanks for making it back, Bomb. So how was it? It was really good.
Don't forget to subscribe to us.